Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and this is how to disable search suggestion in Google Chrome in a phone. So guys, first thing that you will do is open up your Google Chrome into your device. Now, from here, just simply select the three dots on the top right corner of the screen. And now here, just simply scroll down a little bit and go through the settings. Now, here just simply select Google Services. Now, just simply turn off Improve Search Suggestions and just simply turn off Make Searches and Browsing Better, and you should be able to fix the issue. And there you go. I hope this video helped you understand more. If you do, leave a like, and thanks for watching. See ya.